Guys, my name is Sangita and welcome back to my classes Easy French. Wishing you all a very happy new year. Sukhi rahe aur swasth rahe. And a big thank you to all my viewers for your love and support. So let's complete the rest of the accents today. So let's get started. Les signes orthographiques. Les signes orthographiques. This I have already explained you in the previous video. So in case if you have missed that, the link is there in the description box. Go through it first. Otherwise, this video may be little difficult for you all to follow. So today in this video, we'll study about the accent Cedilla, accent Trema, l'apostrophe, and the trait d'union means the hyphen. So let's see them in detail. So hi guys, please like and share the video so it reaches all people who struggle to learn this language. A big thank you in advance. So let's start. Now, Cedilla, we have already studied. We know about the accent because this I have explained when we were doing alphabets. Okay, so the link is there in the description box. Now, Cedilla accent is always below C. Okay, this little tail below C. Now, earlier we have seen that the sound of C was as k in crayon, right? We have seen this. So the sound of C was like crayon, like cat, k sound. C had a k sound. Now, when we put a Cedilla accent to it, the sound of C, the K sound of C will change to S. Okay, so the K sound of C changes to S, sound. Okay, now let's see with some examples. Now, garçon, garçon. Instead of garçon, now we are reading it garçon because of this accent. Next word is leçon, leçon, and last is reçu. Reçu means to receive. Okay, reçu. So, exothrema, where it is found? It is found on E, I, and U. E, and U in French. So, why it is used and where it is used? So, when two vowels come together, they need to be pronounced separately. Okay? When two vowels are side by side beside each other and they need to be pronounced separately or we have to stretch the sound. So this trema, the two little dots are there on the vowel. Okay. So now let's see with some words. Now this word is Noel. Now Noel, if I read it together is Noel, but here you see that this trema accent is there. So what I'll do, the two vowels are there. I'll break the word from here. When I read the word while pronouncing, so I'll break the word from here. So I'll stretch the word. So I'll read it as no L, no L, which means Christmas. Next word, M-R-E-S, M-R-E-S, which means a sweet corn. So again, two vowels together. I'll break the word from here. Trema on the second vowel. So ma is, ma is. Next is again the same spelling M-A-M-R-E-S but without any trema. So now I'm going to read it as may, which means but. So here you see that the meaning has changed, isn't it? So these accents, they change the sound, the way of pronouncing a word, and also the meaning. This we have seen many number of times. So next, okay, the apostrophe. So the apostrophe or the apostrophe is never used the way it is used in English. So let's see with some example what we do in English. So in English, we compress the word let us as let's, do not as don't. So this way, in French, it is not used. The second place where it is not used in French is in English. If I say Sangita's book, which means I am showing some kind of belonging. Sangita's book means Sangita ki kitab, right? And doctor's clinic means doctor ka clinic. So this way also the use of apostrophe is not there in French. Okay. Okay. So apostrophe, the symbol of elision, used to show omission of a vowel. Why this is used? To show that we are deleting a vowel from somewhere. Okay. And the apostrophe, the sign of apostrophe is just a symbol, mark or a chin. Okay. Now, in French, letter H and Y are also treated as a vowel. Means H and Y are also treated as a vowel. So let's see with some example. L article and HOTEL is hotel. This word I have also explained you. So now two vowel, ash over here, vowel, and this is a vowel. So what we are going to do, always the first vowel. Which vowel? Always the first vowel will get deleted. Okay. Or you can say the last vowel of the first word. कौन सा vowel? The last vowel of the first word, because sometimes there can be three words also, there can be four words also. So now you will be confused which vowel to delete. So the last vowel of the first word. Clear? This vowel will be deleted. Now it, and the next vowel will be there, and the word exactly will write the same. So I told you in the beginning that H is always silent when it is in the beginning of the word. So now this is hotel, hotel, but because of this elision, we are going to put a apostrophe, right? Apostrophe. We are learning the use of apostrophe in this topic, isn't it? So apostrophe. So this vowel is deleted. We have put a apostrophe. Write the second word as it is. Now we are going to not read it as le hotel, but we'll read it together. We will read it together as lotel. How we are going to read is lotel. Okay. Now the next word is s'il vous plaît. We are going to leave this part. We'll see this part. Now here, actually, this word is made up of two words, si and il. Si means if, il means it. So two words over here. So si, I is a vowel and I is a vowel. So two vowel falling in one place. So what they did, first vowel of the first word, sorry, the last vowel of the first word. Si is the first word in s'il vous plaît. So the last vowel, here it is only one. So this vowel will be deleted and we'll put a apostrophe to it. Okay. S-I-I-L, S-I-I-L. Delete this vowel and put the apostrophe. Got it? And then write off the rest of the word. So, s'il vous plaît. It is not si, il, vous plaît. It is, we read it together. S'il. Instead of si, il, s'il. So, s'il vous plaît. Clear? Okay. Okay. So, we come to the last sign, that is hyphen, and after this there are some practice words. So do see the video till the end, and thanks for your generosity for liking and sharing the video. So thank you so much once again. So this is hyphen. Again, a small example of this is from the previous topic, apostrophe, that D actually is made up of two words, which is D, U, U. So now two vowels coming together. So delete the first vowel and put the apostrophe. Again, an elision is going to happen and we are going to read this word together along with this D. So that is why we are reading it as tre du neo. Instead of reading tre du union, we are reading it as tre du neo. Okay, which means a hyphen. Now, where a hyphen is used. So it is used to show connection between words. It can be two words, it can be more. So here, the first example is a, the, ill. Now this is actually one word, it's a verb. Now, because of this hyphen, now we are not going to read it as a, the, ill. We are going to read it together as a til. A til. Okay. Second word is the seth. Now, not 10 separate, 7 separate. No, because this is one word, 17. So we are going to read it as the seth, the seth. And last is where sank. Where sank. Not two separate words, but they are one word. So when they sank. When they sank. This will be more clear when we'll do the numbers. Okay, so please do watch the video till the end. Okay, so friends, God has once again given you a blank book of 365 pages. Do write the most beautiful story for yourself. Be yogast, be swast. So, this is a little self study which I have given you some words to practice. So, what you have to do is you have to find the pronunciation, see how to rewrite these words with the proper use of the accents. Okay, so do this little work for yourself. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye until then. Bye bye.